So that was from last Thursday. This is what today's looking like. About 5:45 it started banging down on the roof, quite heavy rain. I think there's a few storms coming through and they're forecasting storms this morning. But, it's slowed down now, so hopefully it clears up. You know, even with a grey cloudy day, it actually is a very nice view across there. I was watching a sea fog coming yesterday. I arrived at about lunchtime. Basically straight ahead, you're looking at the main entrance into the Hawkesbury River there. It goes straight out to the ocean. And yeah, it was incredible. Just this sea fog was rolling in and running up the mountain on the side there. So there's a little baby one yesterday. At least I assume it's a baby turkey. It kind of looked vaguely like one and was behaving like one. It's quite amazing. It wasn't too scared either. It was quite close. But then, heck, the adult ones are really close too. Time to move on somewhere else. Probably should check my calendar again, but I think it's Tuesday. I've got my appointment at the hospital to get my arm x-rayed. Hopefully all the cracks are gone in my bones and all will be good. So I've set my sat-nav to go to Nora Head via Gosford, so basically cut in along the coast road up through the entrance and places like that. So just driving past that Mount Penang Gardens, so I thought I might as well just turn in and have a quick look now. Bit of a gloomy day, but I think the rain's passed and well, frustratingly, it just started raining again, so I'm going to retreat back to the van, wait till it stops, and then I'll come back out. I'm just going to use the big camera because GoPro's not doing this justice. I made it down to Long Jetty. I think it's Long Jetty. It's not Long Jetty, it's the next suburb across anyway. Just by the lake there. Dropped into Erin Affair on the way and picked up some stuff to cook. Doesn't look too bad at all. This road's not usually this busy. I guess we're getting into the sort of summer holiday season. It is a Saturday. So as I came into Long Jetty down the main road there was a huge traffic jam, just completely stopped. Then I turned in here towards the boat ramp and I wanted to stop down here anyway. But yeah, I'm guessing that all these people are coming down here trying to bypass the traffic jam because it's not usually that busy down this road. Bloody hell, it's crazy. is how the afternoon's turned out. That bike ride this morning really took it out of me, so I've been pretty stuffed all afternoon, really just been lying around recovering. I felt a bit better by probably about, what, 2 o'clock or so, and I came down, got some groceries, and, well, not some groceries, I just needed some more drinks. I was almost out of milk and juice and stuff like that. And then I've just been sitting down editing a video, watching this rain drizzle all over the place. So heading off for somewhere to sleep now. Oh, this little bit of road's so seriously potholed. I reckon this will do me. Nothing's going to happen tonight. Just going to make myself a sandwich. Like, it's 6:45 already, by the way, so it's quite late. I want to fly the drone around that jetty over there, but tomorrow is supposed to be cloudy and pretty miserable. So anyway, we'll see what happens. Good night. See you in the morning. Very grey looking today. At least it's not raining. There's a little track down here just next to where I parked. I'm curious as to where this wanders off to. Okay, seems to be like an unofficial extension of the graveyard. There is a cemetery right next to this beach. Sort of just walked past it back there. Accidentally killed 20th of August 1903. There we go. There we go. That pops out at the beach. There you have it. Not feeling much like walking the beach today. I might just head into Swansea and have a bit of a wander around. Don't know what I'm going to do. This grey weather's sort of getting me down. My mood is so heavily dependent on the colour of the sky. I thought I'd better come down here and have a quick look first. It's actually a bunch of people out on the end of the jetty there, looking like they're probably going to jump off. It's a long way down. It really is another one of those days. I've come down to Swansea and I've just been sitting here next to the boat ramp pretty much all afternoon, maybe even all day actually. Every time I go outside it's like drizzling. There's just like this really fine misty rain, which isn't a big issue because you don't get overly wet, and I'd go out in it except I wear glasses, and of course they get coated in rain and then can't see a whole lot. So anyway, would like to have gone for a bike ride, but it's too flaky, so we're just going to sit here in the van and just ride it out again. I did stop by Swansea Heads this morning and take some drone footage, so have a bit of a look at this. I just wandered over somewhere quieter, still in Swansea and just over on the lakeside now, sort of the back of the residential area. As you can see, all the houses behind me there. It's a little bit quieter over here, just where I was over on the inlet over there. You're getting all the post-work walkers coming out now, so there's just people streaming past. Anyway, nice and quiet here. I'm probably just going to loiter around here, have dinner, and then I'll sneak off and sleep and see what tomorrow brings, I guess. Like, hopefully it brings better than today, because every time I've tried to go outside it just started drizzling again. It's just ridiculous. Oh well, never mind, that's the hassles you have when you live in a van. But oh, look, I could have gone to a shopping centre or something and walked around, but anyway, let's see how tomorrow goes. Just slipped on the side of a road last night. It's not a very noisy road, so that's always a plus. But Kookaburra's fired up at about 4:15. I am right next to a like a bushy area, a bit of a reserve on the side of the lake. I'm in Pelican, which is near Swansea. 5:30 now. I'm just gonna throw some clothes on, head down to a beachside area, and have a look and see what the weather's like for a start. Anyway. Have a quick look at the water, and I'll come back and have breakfast and stuff. Wow, it's pretty calm this morning. There's a little grey to the north. I think it's mostly sort of foggy, low cloud though. And hopefully the weather's coming from the south this time. So I've got to drop into the hospital today, get some x-rays done on my arm. That'll be about 2:30ish, or I'll probably get a little bit earlier to get the x-rays done. Anyway, so this morning I want to go for a bike ride, so I'm going to hope that this weather sort of holds out. It's looking promising, so hopefully it'll clear up a bit. Yeah, I'm looking for my drone. It was following me, but I got no idea where it went. There's the poor little thing. Oh geez, poor little drone. There was no sand here last time I came. All this was just complete rock, and now look at it, it's just full of sand everywhere. Amazing. It's weird, things are not how I remember it. I'm kind of thinking now that maybe last time I came I couldn't get past that point because of the water, and it might have been a higher tide, but this does not look familiar, this little end point here, and I don't recall ever seeing this cave before. So last time, this was as far as I could get, because I remember this sort of rocky outcrop here, and the fact that I had to walk all the way around to get onto the edge there. There you go. I don't know whether it's just a tide thing or the sand's blown in. I remember it being quite deep down here, and definitely not somewhere you could walk past. So I'd say all that sand that's come in has made it walkable now. Yeah, so that's really interesting. So this area had no sand through here before. This was all just rock. Now it's completely full of sand. So I have to pull up my last video and have a bit of a look at this. I must say it's bloody nice to get a bit of sun. Oh, nice. 8:45 today, shark sighted. Nice little sculptures. I like how that one rocks. Alright, playing the move around game again. It'll take me about 40 minutes to get up to McDonald Jones Stadium, which is where I've got to catch the bus to go to the Hunter Hospital. And thank you for all those that left comments last time I said I was going there and pointed out that was a place to catch the bus from, because that makes it possible. Can't park the van at the hospital because all the car parks have low clearance. Anyway, go figure. At least this way I get it free as well. So I'm going to just head up near the what is it, marine rescue place up on the Swansea head there. I might just sit there, do my lunch, then as soon as I've done lunch, it'll be pretty much time to start heading up into Newcastle. Well, that took a hell of a lot longer than expected. So basically the x-rays come back looking reasonable. You know, you can still see a bit of a mark where the brakes were, but I guess they've just given me a bunch of exercises to do now, and I'll just have to work on sort of the physio side of it to try and get my full movement back and then strength back as well. They did sort of say that it'll be about another 6 weeks before I should be bike riding or trying anything else, and I'm like, sure, no worries. But anyway, the message there is it's going to be another 6 weeks before it gets its full strength back, so that's a little bit of a blow, but anyway. Alright, look, I need to now desperately edit this video and get it uploaded tonight, so I will leave you with all that excitement. I'll see what I'm going to do over the next 6 weeks, so see if I can come up with a plan. Alright, thanks for watching, and I will talk to you later. Bye.